Are you looking for a sensible yet well-equipped vehicle? Then check out this extremely clean, one-owner 2017 Subaru Outback 2.5i Limited all-wheel drive. Loaded up with the Limited package, this vehicle comes well equipped with power moonroof, heated leather seating with memory, hardened Karman sound system with Bluetooth, steering wheel radio controls, push button start, rear power hatch, blind spot monitoring, rear backup camera, and alloy wheels. It also comes with a durable yet fuel-efficient 2.5-liter four-cylinder that won't let you down and will keep you riding for miles. Don't miss out on a great deal of only $16,500.